Good morning friends. In this video, we will discuss GATE 2020 question. Meaning is that is very recent. In February only this question came. So let me read out the question and we will solve it. Which one of the following is used to represent the supporting many to one relationship of a weak entity set in an ER diagram? So they are asking you to construct a ER diagram which consists of many to one relationship of a weak entity. Okay, so we need to construct the weak entity and strong entity. Between them we have to construct a relationship which consists of many to one. We have solved similar question. Okay, and then they have given option A, option B, option C, option D, and they are asking which is the right answer. If you see that in earlier videos for the constructing of ER diagrams, we have discussed this one. What is this one? They are saying that there should be a strong entity, there should be a weak entity. Weak entity will be represented with a double line, and the relationship between the strong entity and weak entity, there should be a double diamond. Okay, this relationship we will call it as a identifying relationship. Okay, what example we have taken is that we have a faculty and we have a dependent. Then you can ask me, sir, where is the many to one relation? Okay, one faculty can have n dependents. This is what many to one or one to many. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? One faculty can have n dependents. Okay, n dependents can have only one faculty. So this is what we have taken, and it is total participation. All these things we have discussed in the earlier video. If you have not gone through that video, please go through that video so that you will understand the concept in a better way. So this is what we have discussed. Now they are asking us that which of the following is used to represent the supporting many to one relationship of a weak entity. They are asking how the relationship will be represented. That is what they are asking. If you read it properly, lot of people will think that they are asking about the weak entity, they will worry about this weak entity, but they are asking relationship. So now we will, if it is relationship, it is a diamond shape. So we will find where is the diamond shape. They have given that. Here it is given oval. Oval is not the correct. Rectangles. Rectangle is for weak entity. Diamonds with double or blow light. Double light. Yeah, this is the right answer. This is oval. Then we will see where is this option A, option B, option D will be useful. That also we will discuss. Oval that contains underline identifier. What is the oval? Where we will use the oval? For the attributes. And underline will be used for to identify it is a key attribute. Am I right or wrong? In the attributes list we have discussed. We have various types of attributes and the key attribute will be represented within this one. So it is useful for representing the key attribute. Now rectangles with double or bold line. This will be useful to identify a weak entity. Okay. If they would have given weak entity, identify how the weak entity will be represented, then the right answer would be B. Oval with double or bold lines. Oval with double or bold lines means double lines. Let me write the oval with double or this one. Can anyone tell what is this one? This is for multi-valued attributes. If in any attribute consists of multiple values, then we will use this one for representation. The example is the phone number, because each student may have more than one phone number. So we will use this representation for multi-valued. So the right answer is C. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. But then why, you can ask me, sir, this question is very simple, why you have taken? But lot of people I have observed that they have written it as an answer as B. They thought that it is weak entity they are asking, but they are asking how they are representing the relationship. So the relationship is identifying relation, so it is diamond. Okay, that is what I got the feedback. So that's why I thought that to explain this one. Lot of people, they have written this answer when they answering this question. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope you are understanding all the videos. If you like the video, please press the like button, give your feedback in the comment section, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you so much.